Night mode on your iPhone camera kicks in automatically whenever it senses a dark area. If you'd rather turn it off for good, here's how to do it. As you can see, my iPhone camera automatically detects low-light environments and switches to night mode because it's set to auto. First, turn night mode off manually. Open the camera app, then either long press the night mode icon or tap the More option in the viewfinder to find night mode. Tap it to turn it off. If you don't see the night mode option right away, try again. Step into a dark room or cover the camera sensor with your hand so the iPhone thinks it's dark. Next, snap a sample photo while night mode is off. Now go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to Camera, then scroll again and tap Preserve Settings. Here, turn on the toggle for night mode. It should turn green. This tells your iPhone to preserve the last night mode setting you used, instead of automatically switching it back to auto. Go back and test it. Night mode will stay off until you manually switch it on again. If you leave it on before closing the camera app, it'll still be on the next time you open the camera. I recommend keeping it off before you exit the camera app so your iPhone remembers that setting. That's the easiest way to disable night mode permanently on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide videos.